All right, so let's say you're building an AI agent, and this agent needs to pull live data from Stripe, HubSpot, and Slack all at the same time. I mean, where do you even start with that?
That is the fundamental problem, isn't it? How do you connect these agents securely without building a mountain of custom code? Well, that's exactly what the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is designed to solve. And get this, there's a platform that has over 2,600 of these MCP servers ready to deploy with just one click.
Exactly. It really feels like there's this massive wall. You've got this brilliant agent, but it's basically trapped in a box. It can't see into your company's data, it can't interact with the tools your team actually uses. It's just so frustrating.
And MCP is what tears down that wall. The easiest way to think about it is like a universal translator. It's a standard language that lets any AI agent talk to any app or any database out there. It builds a secure, efficient bridge over that disconnect we were just talking about.
Okay, so it's a standard, a protocol. I get the concept, but what does that actually look like when I'm coding? How do I give my agent these, superpowers?
Great question. Let's make it super concrete. Take a tool like Notion. I mean, your team's entire brain is probably in there, right? You want your agent to be able to search it, add new pages, and maybe even manage tasks inside of it.
Okay, now this is the magic part. You just go to Vinkius.com, find the Notion server in their catalog, and you click Deploy. And that's it. Seriously. No infrastructure to manage, no Docker, no self-hosting nightmares. You get one single secure endpoint. You just copy and paste it into your agent client, like Claude or Cursor, and you're live in under a minute.
Whoa, okay, hang on. Looking at these tools, it's not just reading data. The agent can actually create and append things. That's a whole other level of powerful.
Right. So you can literally just tell your agent, hey, pull up the Q4 planning docs, and it'll use the search and get page blocks tools. Or you could say, add a new task to our main project board, and it'll use the create database row tool. Your agent just became a genuine knowledge worker.
That's incredible for something like Notion, but is this just for a few of the really big, popular apps? What about all the other, more specialized tools we use?
And this is where the scale becomes just mind-blowing. Vinkius is the largest managed MCP gateway available anywhere, period. They have over 2,600 of these pre-built servers. And we're talking about everything, from Stripe and Salesforce to Jira for developers, all the way to public data sets from NASA. It is a massive, ready-to-use ecosystem.
And that's really the before and after picture, right? The old way was a total nightmare of Docker containers, fighting with CORS errors, manually integrating every single API. The Vinkius way? It's one click. You get a server-sent events endpoint, you get instantly ready tools, and you have zero infrastructure headaches to worry about.
Okay, I have to ask about security. You're connecting all of this potentially sensitive company data. How on earth is that kept safe? It's absolutely core to the whole platform. It's all built on a zero-trust architecture. Vinkius uses what's called secure credential injection, which means your API keys are never exposed to the AI model itself. Plus, they have real enterprise-grade features like data loss prevention, or DLP, which can mask sensitive info before it even gets to the LLM. It's built to scale for everyone, from a solo developer all the way to a huge enterprise team.
I think this quote from their team really nails it. They handle the hard part, unlocking the apps and data for your agents instantly. Your job then becomes the fun part. You just orchestrate the agents to do the work. You focus on the what, not the how.
Okay, wow. This is all really starting to click for me. It feels like for the past year, we've had these incredibly powerful AI brains, the LLMs, but they've been missing a nervous system to connect them to the real world. So basically, if you are building anything with AI agents right now, this is the infrastructure layer you have been missing. This is the piece that actually makes them useful. That's it, 100%. Head over to Vinkius.com. You can browse that entire catalog of over 2,600 servers we were just talking about. Everything is right there, ready to go. Seriously, go give it a try.